Okay, this is the PS5 controller. I'm coming to replace the joystick. Okay, coming to replace a new one, new joystick. Okay, the first thing you have to do, you have to open first the screws. You have to remove the clip first. Okay, take out this clip first. Take out this one, put it one side. Okay, and open this one also here. Put it one side. Because all this place have screw, you need to take out the screw there. Take out this one also. Put it one side. The screws are inside. You need to remove all the screws. 4 screw. Here also. Take out the screw. After you take out the screw, you open it. See all the clip here. Take out this clip. The one side. Okay. Disconnect the battery from here. Put the battery one side. Okay. Now you need to take out this one screw here. Okay. Remove this cover. The mic is there. Put this one side also. Okay. Remove the mic. Put it one side. Okay. Now you need to disconnect all this cable. You need to use solder and remove them. Okay. Take out the all the clip first before you use solder and remove this one. Remove this clip here also. Okay. All the connector, you have to take them out. Okay. 4 connector. Take out this one also here. Another one here also. Take it out. Okay. Now you need to use a soldering. You have to remove those cable. You have to know where you take them out. Okay, because you have positive and negative. The red one is positive, the black one is a negative. Okay, so you just use your soldering. Take out the cable. Very easy to know. Black is the first one, then the red one is this side. Very easy to know. The yellow one also at the top. Okay, and the green one here. Very easy for you to know. Just clamp the way you take them out. Okay, so you don't forget where to put them back. So you take out all the cable. Okay, after you take out all the cable, remove this motherboard with the joystick. Joystick is here. Okay, put this one side. Okay, remove this rubber, put them one side. Okay, now you need to remove the joystick. Okay, you put this machine, you have to get these tools to support to hold this one for you, the motherboard. Okay, close it a bit. Okay, if you have oil, just put a bit oil on this back here so that it become weak and open very fast. Okay, now you need to use the blower. When you're using the blower, you have to bring it very close to the soldering. Don't place it up so you don't spoil any components here, maybe burn the rubber, anything like that. Okay, so you have to bring the soldering very close to the legs where you hit. Make sure you hit it everywhere. Don't hit the rubber side, don't damage the rubber. Okay, then you have to use your this other hand to support to take out the joystick. Just shake it and pull it down. Okay, but use the soldering. Make sure your hand is already there. Hold the joystick like this and use the soldering. And make sure you put the soldering very close to the board. Okay, don't ace it up so you don't bend anything on top. Okay, Okay, and when you are doing it like this, like you're trying to use the soldering like this, the blower, you shake the joystick down so that the soldering will become weak a bit fast and come out. Shake it like this, then you take it out. Okay, now you need to clean all the soldering. You need to use sucker, okay, this, to suck all the soldering there. Use the soldering so you can put the new one inside, because you need to clean all the space. Okay, so use your sucker. You have to do it everywhere to remove all the soldering. Okay, so it will be easy for you to put back the other one. Okay, you have to do it everywhere. Make sure you remove all the soldering. Okay, you have to do it everywhere. Okay, and remove all the soldering so it will be easy for you to put back the new one. Okay, remove everything. Okay, after you clean all the soldering, you make sure the hole is open very nice like this. Okay, now you need to put the joystick inside. Okay, make sure you put it straight exactly how you take it, like this. Make sure you go inside where you press it inside properly. Okay, all the legs show outside like this, very nice. Okay, okay, now you need to solder in all the legs back. Make sure you solder all the legs back, very nice. Okay, make sure you solder them very nice. Don't let anyone join to each other. Make sure you solder it very nice. Okay, you have to solder in all the legs, very nice. Okay, make sure you solder in all the legs. Okay, after soldering very nice. Okay, you already soldering very nice. Okay, now you need to assemble everything back. Okay, make sure you fix first this one, the cover. Very nice. Okay, now you put back the board inside. Make sure you take out all the cable out. All the connector, make sure it's out. Okay, then make sure you fix all the connector back before you use the soldering. Make sure you fix them very nice inside. Put them inside very nice. Okay, now use the soldering back all the legs you take out. Don't forget the red one here, positive. Then use the negative here. Okay, use the green one here, and the yellow here, the last one. Okay, do the same thing also here. You can start with the yellow one and fix the green one. Okay, fix the black one and fix the red one. Okay, put back this cover. Replace first the one screw you take out from inside. Don't forget fix back the mic. Slide it in very nice. Fix back the battery. Okay, fix back this cover. Slide it from this side. Replace back all the screw you take out. Fix all the keys. Slide it from inside. Okay, now everything is good. I know everything is working out perfectly. Everything is good. That means okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.